In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is go into settings and hit display and brightness, to then scroll all the way down. Now hit font and pick a perfect one for you. When you find it, click on it. Hit free or buy it. Then tap on apply and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, you can always tap on display and brightness again, scroll all the way down, and this time select font settings over here. Then hit default and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!